Good morning children, welcome to math class. So now everyone open page number 48 children. So in previous session we had completed page number 47. Now in 48 complete the mind map numbers. So here given one number children and we had learned about place value chart. Am I correct children? So we had learned two periods. What are the two periods? Thousands period and ones period. Okay, thousands period and ones period. So what are the places comes in thousands period children? Thousands period and 10,000s period. Thousands period and 10,000 period. And ones period have three places. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. We are given 6, 7, 5, 4, 4. So now everyone read this number children. So while reading number, the digit in the same place as the digit in the same period as combined together. Okay, the digits in the same period as combined together. So what are the digits in thousands period? 6 and 7. It's 67,000 children. It's not 6, 10,000 and 7,000. Okay, it's 67,544. Okay, 544. Now write number then children. It's 67,000. Okay, it's not 66, 10,000 and 7, 1,000. Okay, it's 67,544. 44. You have to write the number then like this children. And where we have to place the comma children? We know that each period is separated by a comma now. So here this is the given number. So each period is separated by a comma. 6 and 7 are in thousands period no. So after 1000, so 67,000. So 7 after you have to place comma. So like that you have to write number name children. Next, the face value of a digit and its place help us to find its dash. Okay, so tell me children, what means face value? So face value means value of the digit itself. And what means place value? So place value always depends its place. Place value always depends its place. So here I wrote one number children. It's ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. What is the face value of 5? Face value means same number. No, it's 5. What is the place of 5? 5 is in ones place or tens place or hundred place or thousands place. Yes, 5 is in thousands place. So 5 into 1000, it's 5,000. So this is the place value. Am I correct children? 5 is face value and 1000 is place of the 5. So face value and place help us to find the place value of the digit. So write place value. Okay, face value and its place help us to find the place value of the digit. Here write place value. Next, comparison of numbers and descending order. So we know that we are comparing numbers with using three symbols: less than, greater than and equal to. So less than, where we have to use less than children? When we compare two numbers, first number is smaller, you have to place less than. And if the first number is bigger, you have to place greater than. And two numbers are same, you have to place equal to symbol children. Next, ascending and descending order. So what means ascending order? Arranging numbers from smallest to biggest is ascending order and arranging numbers from biggest to smallest is descending order. Next, the expanded form of a number help us to find the value of dash digit. What means expanded form children? Expanded form means writing number as the sum of the place values. Okay, expanded form means writing number as the sum of the place values. 67,540 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So how we have to write expanded form, children? Just write sum of the place value. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in 10,000's place. No, it's 60,000. Place value of 7. 7 is in thousands place. It's 7,000. And 5 is in hundreds place. It's 500. And this 4 is in tens place. 40 and 4. So this is the expanded form, children. So expanded form help us to know the value of each digit. The value of 6 is 60,000, value of 7 is 7,000, value of 5 is 500. So here we can say that the expanded form of a number help us to find the value of each digit. So write digit in that blank. Okay, children? Now coming to your homework. So just turn to next page, page number 49. So complete question time 1, 2 and 3. Okay, how to complete question time 1, 2 and 3 Roman, children. So in the first Roman you have to write number names of the given numbers. And then second Roman write expanded forms. And third one fill in the boxes with less than, greater than and equal to. Okay, children. So this is your homework. You have to complete first 1, 2 and 3 Romans. Thank you. Have a nice day.